I don't even know where to look. But I just decided just right now that I'm gonna make little quick videos for Vlogmas on this channel. So what's up, y'all? I wanted Okay, so let me begin by saying I dropped my kids off at school today. Today is December 1st. It's my daughter's birthday. Am I looking at the right? Should I be looking? Yeah. Where's the... Okay, anyway, today's my daughter's birthday. She turns 12. She's off to school. My son is off to school. And I'm sitting at my desk starting my work day. And I just decided right now, like I said, that I want to do Vlogmas. And I think I'm going to try to upload a quick little phone recorded video every day until Christmas. Hopefully I can do it. So I'm going to begin by showing you my hair. So this is my little bonnet that I sleep in. I do have starter locks, trying to do micro locks. And this is what my hair looks like directly out of the bonnet. And the freedom that I have from this style is as follows. Of course, I have a little piece of nail. It's getting caught in my hair. But these are about 3 months old. They're different. I have to give an update because I've done a few different things to it. But yeah, just take the bonnet off and then just fluff it out. And I did a retwist of my roots, so I haven't sprayed it in a while. But I'll explain my hair, what I did in an update video coming up soon. But yep, this is what I'm looking like right now. Just let it go, do its thing. Yeah, and I'm baking a cake right now. My daughter wanted a vanilla cake, so I'm making a cake from scratch. I'm using store-bought icing and everything, but I made the cake. So I will put a link to the cake recipe in the description, and I'll give you an update to let you know if it was good or not. But in the meantime, I want you to have the recipe in case it is good. And so this is it. I'm smelling the cake already. Let me just go in the kitchen and see what it's doing. Kitty's having her like second part to her breakfast. She loves to just snack and then play and snack and play, you know. Okay, yep, 5 more minutes on the timer. It's smelling so good. So I put up this banner on the window. It has her name underneath here, but I'm not going to reveal that. Just, you know, for a little bit of anonymity. I got these numbers from Amazon and blew them up with a little bike pump, like a tire pump. And then I just put some purple things. She loves purple right now, so she actually made this thing. I just put it up there because I had something else there, just trying to coordinate a little bit. And yeah, this is cute. So it came out nice. And I was worried that there would be holes because a lot of people were saying that there were like holes in theirs, but these seem to be good. And I didn't want to overfill it. It said don't fill it up too much because of course I did not want these to pop. And I'm hoping that they're going to last for this whole week so that they'll be up for her party next week. So today's Friday, her party is next Saturday. This is a thing I bought from Amazon. This is a cute light fixture. I'll link it below as well. All right, so let's get a bathroom shot because the lighting in here is way better. This is what we're working with. Okay, and we are going to church tonight. We have church on Friday nights. So it's her birthday. We're going to have a little party in the house before church, and then we're going to go tonight, celebrate. She wants to see her friends anyway. What better place to be than in church? And then again, her birthday party, like I said, is like with her friends and everything is next week. Let's get the cake out. And like I mentioned, this is homemade cake, but I am going to be using this icing. So my daughter wanted the vanilla. It's vanilla cake with vanilla icing, but because it's 2 layers, I'm gonna slip some chocolate in there. So the chocolate is gonna be in the middle layer, and then this will be on the outside and the top. And then she's into lavender and purple and everything, so she picked out this icing, which I'm gonna use to write her name. Where's those candles? And then Got these candles right here from Stop and Shop. I don't know what stores are near you, but just a regular grocery store items. And we'll put the 12 on, and then we'll have the extra numbers for other times. Oh, and my niece is texting me right now. Her birthday was yesterday. She turned 21. And she asked me to make these viral TikTok cookies, which I did make for her last night. So she's texting to see if I'm home. She wants to come by and get some of these just for her. Some of them didn't come out perfect, but the ones underneath definitely did. And we taste tested them last night. They're delicious. I'll link that video below. There's so many links. Okay, so birthday celebrations all around. Let's see if she's gonna come by today. She's in the dog's bed. She loves stealing the dog's bed. Where's Blanksy? Whatever. And this is what it's looking like. Beautiful. Okay, so these look nice. I don't even know. Yeah. I usually would put them to... Oh, who's that? That's my niece. We're gonna go dig into those cookies right now. You weren't on the video today because you were hiding in the basement. You want to say bye? Okay, let's go to the door. So my niece just left. I was hoping that she would spend some time with me, and I saved my cup of coffee to have with her while we eat the cookies, but she had to go. She thinks she had the flu for a few days now. So poor child, poor little youngin', my little niece. So I made my little coffee, but it spilled out, and I gotta fix this up now. Okay, I needed to share this. This is on my work email. This is what somebody put in the closing of their email that they responded to somebody else. Toodaloo. Like literally wrote toodaloo in a work correspondence. Toodaloo.
Let me know. What do you see when I add this lens? Is it better or worse? Okay, what do you see that it is red? Very good. Okay, this is one without lens. This is two with lens, which is better. One without, two with, one without, two with. Of glasses today. These are coming home with you. Thank you so much for coming to the eye clinic today. Here, you can keep these on. Ciao now. Bye.
This is what we do almost daily. This little cat just likes to sit on my lap. Most of the time she's cleaning herself, but today she's just chilling. She has to get here, like wants to be on me. Am I your mother? She's still a kitten, technically. She's not even 6 months old yet. Am I your mother? Okay, I think I'm your mother. I think you think I'm your mother, actually. Okay, I'll be your mother. I'm not that good at vlogging right now, but because I forgot to press record for some things that just happened. But I just picked up the birthday girl. She's in the car. I'm not gonna show her face at the moment. Man, we'll see when she gets a little bit older. But on my way to get my little one. I have an older son too, but my little son, he's at school. I'm going to get him, and yeah. So on the road, doing that, and I'll pick it back up later. You gonna wear your nightgown?
I do that every time.
Okay. Hey.
Hi.
How was your day?
Good. Why are you recording me?
I'm recording me.
Recording me?
I'm recording me, recording you.
Why?
Recording she, recording me.
Why are you doing that?
I'm vlogging.
You're vlogging?
But I don't want to show your face. The side of your little corner of your face got in there, but I'm gonna have to edit that out. Okay, so we just had my daughter's birthday, little family celebration, and now we're going to church. So this is what I'm wearing, an outfit that I have worn before. Just these boots here, orange dress. I filmed this same look, or I took pictures of this same look on Instagram probably last year. So I just put a hat on, and then this is the orange dress from Amazon, jacket, blazer, little thing from Goodwill, I think, or some thrift store. And this hat made by one of the sisters in my church. And just wearing that. My daughter's putting together this little thing she got for some of her dolls. She's 12, but she still has, she's playing with her little dolls. Anyway, here it is. So I'll see y'all later.